Cleaning a ceiling fan is one of those chores most people keep delaying. You either need a ladder or stool, your hands get dirty, dust falls on your face, and the whole process feels risky and annoying. That's exactly why most fans stay dirty for months or even years. But what if you could clean your fan without a ladder, without touching the blades, and without spreading dust everywhere? In this video, I'm showing a simple, real method that works in minutes and doesn't require strength, tools, or risk. Before we start, understand one thing. The biggest mistake people make while cleaning a fan is standing directly under it and wiping with a cloth. That just pushes dust into the air, onto your furniture, and into your lungs. This method avoids that completely. It traps the dust instead of spreading it. And yes, it works even if your fan hasn't been cleaned in a long time. First, turn the fan off and let it stop completely. This is important, not just for safety, but because a moving blade will throw dust everywhere. Now take a clean pillowcase. A simple cotton pillowcase works best. This is the key item most people don't think of. The pillowcase acts like a dust trap instead of a duster. Stand safely on the floor. No stool, no ladder. If your fan is very high, use a long-handled mop or broom just to guide the pillowcase, not to scrub. Slide the pillowcase over one fan blade completely, like you're covering it. The blade should go inside the pillowcase. Now gently pull the pillowcase back while lightly pressing from the outside. All the dust gets pulled inside the pillowcase instead of falling down. When you remove the pillowcase, you'll be shocked at how much dirt comes out and none of it ends up on your floor or furniture. Repeat the same step for each blade, one blade at a time. No rushing. The entire process usually takes less than 5 minutes. If your fan has sticky grease or old dust buildup, here's what you do next. Lightly spray the inside of the pillowcase with a mix of warm water and a few drops of dish soap or vinegar. Not dripping wet, just damp. This breaks down grease and helps lift stubborn dirt without scratching the blade. Slide it over the blade again and pull back slowly. The result is a clean blade without any effort. Now let's talk about the top of the fan and motor housing. This area collects hidden dust that people ignore. Wrap the same pillowcase around the end of a broom or mop handle. Gently wipe around the motor casing. Again, you're trapping dust, not throwing it into the air. This step alone makes a big difference in air quality. If your fan is in the kitchen or hasn't been cleaned in years, you may notice a layer that doesn't come off easily. Don't scrub hard. That's how blades get scratched or bent. Instead, repeat the damp pillowcase method once more. Patience works better than force. Once you're done, take the pillowcase outside and shake it out, or wash it normally. That's it. No vacuum, no mess, no balancing on a stool, no dirty hands, and most importantly, no dust raining down on you. This method isn't a hack for views, it's a practical cleaning technique used by people who clean regularly and safely. It works because it respects how dust behaves instead of fighting it. Gravity pulls dust down, so you contain it instead of wiping it loose. A clean fan isn't just about looks. Dusty fans push allergens, dirt, and bacteria into the air every time they spin. Cleaning them regularly can actually improve air quality, especially if you have kids, allergies, or pets at home. Once you try this, you'll never go back to risky ladder cleaning or messy wiping again. It's faster, safer, and cleaner than anything most people do. And the best part? You already have everything you need at home. If this method helped you, use it every month and you'll never see heavy buildup again. Simple habits save time, money, and effort. And sometimes the smartest solutions are the simplest ones people overlook.